Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. Yes, we are going to once again run a pocket option robot, but this time around is a new one. I want one robot that have a much higher win rate, and I proudly present for you Alpha Master. You can download this robot also, just use the link you find up there right now, or you can just download the video below the video. If you have made a deposit with Alpha 1 Trader from before, you can just go and download the robot below. Just put in that you have made a new deposit or whatever, but you can just use it by the way, okay? And make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video also. And check out my free Forex Telegram channel, link below the video for that also, is in Telegram. But now, let's start up my new amazing Alpha Master robot. There we have it. We just made $119 in super short time. So now let's take the performance of the new robot. It's the trades you see from my head and up. It's the trades we have done now. You see the 3 first trade. No, actually the 4 first trade, all winners. Then we got 1 loser. We martingale just 1 time, we won. Then we got 1 loser, martingale just 1 time, and we won. So you see the win rate is amazing. So I have now spent a lot of time to figure out a way to set up a new way of trading, so that is even better than Alpha 1 Trader. I will keep the Alpha 1 Trader also available, so both will be in the same place you download this robot. So, want to download this robot? Link below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.